Alright, let's get started on our journey of exploring the fascinating world of building a house underground using Caisson Construction in 2024, Small Blue Diamond, Hook. Hey there, have you ever thought about what it would be like to live in an underground house? Today, we're going to dive deep into the concept of Caisson Construction and uncover the unique benefits it offers. Small Blue Diamond, Introduction. So, what exactly is Caisson Construction? Well, it's an innovative approach to building structures that involves creating a foundation by drilling deep into the ground. Let's see how this method revolutionizes traditional construction practices. Small Blue Diamond, Presentation of Problem/Challenge. Traditional construction methods often face challenges like unstable soil conditions and limited space for building. However, Caisson Construction comes to the rescue by providing a solution that ensures stability and durability for the structure. Small Blue Diamond, Exploration/Development. Let's delve into the process of creating a foundation using Caisson. It involves drilling deep into the ground, placing reinforcement like steel bars, and pouring concrete to form a solid base. This method guarantees a strong and reliable foundation for the building. Small Blue Diamond, Climax/Key Moment. Now, imagine the pivotal moment when the structure is fully supported by the caisson. This showcases the incredible strength and stability of underground construction, making it a game changer in the world of architecture and engineering. Small Blue Diamond, Conclusion/Summary. To wrap it up, Caisson Construction offers numerous advantages such as increased durability, resistance to natural disasters, and the potential for energy efficiency. It's a sustainable and innovative way to build structures that stand the test of time. Small Blue Diamond, Call to Action, CTA. I encourage you to explore more videos on innovative construction methods and share your thoughts on underground housing in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content on cutting-edge construction techniques. And there you have it, the fascinating world of building a house underground using Caisson Construction. Thanks for watching.